Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are on chapter number 2, part B. It's a poem. Its title is Playtime. We have completed this poem from book and its exercise. Today we are going to do its exercise from workbook. This is page number 12 and the first part is phrase, words, adjectives. The first one statement is read the passage, pay careful attention to the underlined words. Now I am going to read this passage for you. The boy is sitting on an old box. He is reading a book. There is a fierce tiger behind the tree. The boy is looking at the pictures in the book. He cannot see the tiger. The tiger's long tail is up in the air. So students, just look the words carefully. The first one word is old. The boy is sitting on an old box. Box is a noun and old is telling us something about noun. So the word old is adjective. He is reading a book. Reading, what he is doing? He is reading a book. This is an action word. So the word reading is a verb. There is a fierce tiger behind the tree. In this sentence, two words are underlined. The first one is fierce. There is a fierce tiger. What a type of tiger it is? It is fierce tiger. So it is telling us the quality of the tiger. So the word fierce is adjective. Behind the tree. Tree is a noun because it is the name of a thing. The boy is looking at the pictures in the book. Here also two words are given, looking and pictures. What the boy is doing? The boy is looking. So the word looking is a verb. And at what things the boy is looking? He is looking at the pictures. So pictures is a noun. He cannot see the tiger. So the word see is a verb because it is showing some action. The tiger's long tail is up in the air. Tail is a noun and what a type of tail it is? It is a long tail. So the word long is also an adjective. Now look at second part. Write noun, verb or adjective for each word marked in the passage. So students, you just have to tell that, as we have read earlier, that what a type of words they are. Some are verbs, some are adjectives and some are nouns. So you just have to differentiate these words in all three categories: noun, verb and adjective. The first one word is old, that is adjective. B, reading. Reading is a verb. C, fierce. Fierce is an adjective. Tree. Tree is a noun. E, looking. Looking is a verb. F part, pictures. Pictures are noun. G part, see. See is also a verb. H part, long. Long is an adjective. Now students, look at the third one part. Write a sentence for each picture on page 13. Use an adjective, a noun and a verb as shown in the examples. The first one example is given. The big vase fell on the floor. You can look at the page number 13. Here three pictures are given. The first one is, you can look here that a vase is on the floor and it is broken. In the second picture, a dog is biting the boy, and in the third picture You can see that a woman is lying on the chair, or you can say that she is resting, or maybe she is sleeping. So you have to write down three sentences using adjectives, noun, and verb. So the first one sentence you can write: the big vase fell on the floor. B part: the fierce dog is biting the boy. C part: the old lady is resting in the armchair. You can also use the other verbs like the old lady is sitting in the armchair, or you can write down that the old lady is sleeping in the armchair. It's up to you, that students, how you do this homework. I think so this whole exercise is quite clear to you. You have to do your homework on book, and you have to learn it quite vigilantly. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.